tsunami village, and the tsunami coming here. A lot of house and broken. A lot of people die in here. But all house is broken with the tsunami. They only have to get the bamboo house. That's why all people make the bamboo house, but they don't have to jog. They don't have to walk in. It's very bad here. They all people walking in the farmer, but now it's already they all water and the money and all their job and always the water. There is very bad walking now. They don't have to walk in now. That's why a lot of tourists coming here. They come give for the donation with the people, get the ride and something to give biscuit for the children, for the family. Like all tourists coming here, they can't get like this because so poor people is very sad in these people. It's very problem for you. I walk in one bamboo, no problem.
Really?
Yeah, you see? I'm good.